So it's on 5.8 gig, which really significantly improved our bandwidth. We're seeing speeds where we think we should be seeing them instead of in the 500K where we were. Or actually, it was even slower, like 5K.
Yeah.
But now, when I did a speed test the other day, I was actually seeing a 20 meg link. So that was pretty cool. We're actually running it through a switch here at this location, just a regular old Linksys or Cisco switch, and it's pointing back to Highland Village. And this is all on our short tower right now. And this one's on 2.4, and I got a computer in here as well. We put a sector with a rocket pointing off of TWU Gwynn Hall going north so that Guy and Gerald can get in. And they've done some link testing and seeing some pretty good results out of that.
Got some better performance. My link quality back to Gerald, for some reason, I noticed this yesterday, Gerald, I didn't get a chance to talk to you about it, has decayed. But I was able to pull up like USL.net and miscellaneous stuff through all those hops, and with Lee providing the circuit. What happened for those, I know you know the circuit, for the others, we have a noisy neighbor around here, and it is called Geyer High School. Geyer High School is covered with 2.4 gig, okay? So the best analogy I can give to everybody as to what kind of problem this causes is, y'all have all been in this room when we don't have a meeting going, and there's dozens of conversations going, and everybody's talking about the same level, but if I try to talk to Eric across the room, I can't hear it because everybody's about the same level, okay? So it was just noise. It was loud, okay? It was enough to cause problems. We went to 5A. It's nowhere near as crowded right now, okay? And I have to say that because of something that I've seen. That got us the frequency that was in a more clear state. The reason why I say it's clear right now, for those of you that knew that we had worked with N5LS to put a Motorola turbo repeater up on Star Call, the 5.8 gig link for that comes from me. So we put APRS Digipeater on 2 frequencies up there since it's my circuit. I'm going to put some of my stuff on there too. I have seen the amount of stations on 5.8 in less than a year doubling. And it's affecting my throughput back to Star Call now. But it's not affecting it to the point that it's breaking stuff. So I already had that link throttled back significantly. And it's still not, causing us any harm there. I think the long term is to get the air grid here 150 feet, right?
Yeah.
So, and that will help us quite a bit.
So here's the view of the current long-term proposal that we're working on, trying to get more coverage across the county. Surprisingly, right now we actually have very good coverage countywide. Well, I won't say countywide, but probably 2/3 of the county, I'd say, has got decent coverage right now. So this will just help improve it. But it also takes you guys. All those little circles right there are stations that we know of that are committed to doing this. Now we need more of you. The more of those that we have out there, the better our network redundancy will be. And so, like Gerald said, or somebody said, Gary said, sorry, we're working on Sunday, the Louisville Tower will have a link put up. And then we'll put a couple panels off of it as well to try to tie in some of Louisville people. And as soon as TxDOT starts putting some equipment on our tower, they're going to hang 3 sectors off of the big tower for us at 150 feet so that we can have a little better coverage. And those will be 120-degree dual pulse sectors, which will be pretty cool. And then long term, we're also talking about the possibility of putting sectors at Gwynn Hall and on 2.4. All the little green blocks you see are 5.8. The red ones are panel antennas on 2.4. So kind of a ambitious little network right now, the design, but it all just takes participation. And I know there isn't a lot to do on it except for a little bit of internet, not just playing around with ping rates and such. But, you know, what do they say? If you build it, they will come. So let's see you come on out and join in.